Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Search Console for affiliate SEO performance. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Search Console website. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the Start Now button to begin. If you have not yet added your website, click on the Add Property button. Select the option for domain or URL prefix based on your preference. For domain, enter your root domain to track all subdomains. For URL prefix, enter the full URL of your specific website. After entering your property, click Continue. Verify ownership of your website by following one of the provided methods. Using DNS may be the most comprehensive option. If you select DNS, copy the TXT record provided. Log in to your domain registrar. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Paste the TXT record into the DNS configuration. Save your changes and return to Google Search Console. Click on Verify to confirm ownership. Once verified, you will gain access to your Search Console dashboard. Navigate to the Performance tab on the left side. This section provides insights into how your site is performing in search results. Examine key metrics like total clicks, impressions, average click-through rate, and average position. Understand which queries are driving traffic and which pages are performing best. Next, move to the Coverage tab. Here, you'll find data on indexed pages and any potential issues. Review any errors shown and address them to enhance site performance. Check the Sitemaps section next. Submit your XML sitemap to help Google better understand your site structure. If you don't have a sitemap, consider using a plugin or tool to generate one. In the Mobile Usability section, ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Mobile optimization is crucial for SEO performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.